Hello friends, welcome to BDS Tech Labs. In this video we will discuss about the HTTP methods that are frequently used, we can say mostly used in the development or in testing. So we'll discuss that method only. So let's open the PDF file. I have noted down briefly their introduction, that is get method, post method, put method, delete method and patch method. And I have also created one summary table for these. So whenever you are going for the interview, you can see at a glance that what are the CRED operation and what are the response when the request is successful and what are the response when the request is getting failed. So all these things we have created. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. First of all, get method that I have noted down brief discussion, brief introduction about get method, post method. So let's start about get method. Okay, see, HTTP get method is used to read or retrieve, we can say retrieve a representation of a resources. In the happy path scenario, means if there is no error, get returns a representation in XML or JSON and an HTTP response code of 200 OK. In an error case, it is most often returns 404 not found or 400 bad request. See, about the HTTP status code, I have already discussed in great details. See, in the video I have discussed what are the HTTP status code and how many series are there. See, 100 series is there, that is informational response. 200 series is there, that is for success. 300 series, that is for redirection. 400 series, that is for client error, and 500 series, that is for server error. So for the HTTP status code details, you can go through these videos as well. Okay, so that is that about the get method. Get method is mainly used for retrieve the data. In happy path scenario, get returns representation in XML or in JSON format. Okay, and HTTP response code, we can say it is 200 if it got successful, and in case of failure we will get 404 that is not found, and 400 or 400 that is bad request. See, in the post method verb, post verb or post method is same. In the post verb is most often utilized to create new resources. In other words, when creating a new resource, post to the parent, and the service takes care of associating the new resource with the parent, assigning an ID or a new resource URI. Okay. On the successful creation, HTTP status 201, returning a location header with a link of the newly created resource with 201 HTTP status. In an error case, 404 not found or 409 conflict if the resources already exist. Okay. Now the put method. Put is most often utilized for update capabilities. Putting to a known resource URI with the request body containing a newly updated representation of the original resource. On the successful update, returns 200 or 204 if not returning any content in the body from put. If using put to create a return HTTP 201 on successful creation. In case of error, 404 not found, 405 method not allowed. Okay, for the put method. And for the delete method, it is straightforward. Delete is pretty easy to understand. It is used to delete a resource identified by a URI. On successful deletion, returns HTTP status 200 OK along with the response body, or return HTTP status 204 no content with no response body. Calling delete on a resource a second time will often return 404 not found, since it was already removed and there is no longer findable or available. Okay, now the last one is patch method. Patch is used for modify capabilities. The patch request only needs to containing the changes to the resource, not the complete resource. We can say on the successful updation, returns HTTP status code, that is 200 or 204 no content. In case of failure, 405 method not allowed. Okay, that is the brief discussion about get, put, post, delete and patch. Now comes on the summary table. This is a very easy and very understandable as well. We can say that whenever you go for interview, you can take at a glance only, and you will know each and everything about the get, post, put, delete and patch. Okay, so briefly I have noted down. For the get, it is used for, this is the CRUD operation. Get is used for read or retrieve the data, and in case of successful you will get 200. In case of failure you will get 404 not found. For the post, it is used for the CRUD operation, that is create or update, create, update a resource, and successful, in case of successful you will get 201 created, and in case of failure 404 not found, 409 conflict if the resource already exists. Okay, in case of put, var method, in case of put is used for the CRUD operation, that is update or replace. Okay, and on the successful creation or updation, see 200 okay or 20 not no content. In case of failure 404 not found, 405 method not allowed. Okay, now in case of delete method, the CRUD operation is delete only, and in case of successful 200, that is okay, 204 no content with no response body as well. Okay, and in case of failure 404 not found, 405 method not allowed. Okay, now the last one is patch. Patch is used for CRUD operation, that is update or modify, and response in case of successful 200 okay or 204 no content, and in case of failure 405 method not allowed. So that's all about the brief introduction about get, put, post, delete and patch method, HTTP method. These are the HTTP method. So that's all in this video. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. In the next video we will discuss more about the HTTP header and method as well. So thank you, thanks a lot.